So today, we're going to be looking at this particular move, and another move. We actually made a significant gain this very morning. And, the trade itself isn't quite finished yet. And that is precisely why I'm going to be putting together this video, obviously to explain the trade in detail. Now, I naturally took this trade within our team because in actual fact, what we do is we trade the impulses, okay? So we basically initiated this part. I executed it like this, and then I proceeded with it in this fashion. And the target, you see, was located right here. So we observed a bottom, there was a bounce, and then, another bounce occurred. And at that point, the target was situated here. You can clearly observe this within the group signal, and that group signal, the target for it, was set at 5 to 1.5. And as it turned out, that particular target was achieved with considerable ease. However, I did not, chain the trade together for various reasons. Why? Well, there's something substantial that is about to happen. And when we say that, we're talking about gains of around 440%. You can see we are currently on the 1-hour time frame. And then if you were to look closely, it's not immediately obvious, but on a different frame, you can actually observe here that the momentum and flow are trending upwards, all right? And you can also see that the volume-weighted average price, the VWAP, is also on an upward trajectory. If you shift your view to the 4-hour frame, you'll understand the impulse movement much more clearly. And this is the very reason why the trade is far from being concluded. Before we delve further, I just want to briefly mention that the strategy involves buying the dip using an indicator and then selling the peak using that same indicator, okay? So it's essentially buying near the bottom indicated and selling near the top indicated. Now, let's just articulate that point clearly. And if you're interested in this specific trade, it's important to understand that it is not yet complete. Why isn't the trade over, you ask? Well, right here, we can observe that we are forming what is known as a bull bottom. And this